Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jasper to automate ad copy creation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in jasper.ai and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with multiple options to create an account. Choose to sign up with your email address or use a Google or Facebook account. If you opt for email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After filling out the required fields, click the Get Started button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Jasper and click on the link provided. After verification, return to the Jasper site and log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a quick onboarding process. Follow the prompts to select your primary use case for Jasper. If your goal is ad copy creation, choose the relevant option from the list provided. You will now enter the Jasper interface, where you can start creating content. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore different templates. To create ad copy, navigate to the Templates section from the sidebar. Select that ad copy template from the list available. Fill in the required fields, including product details and target audience information. Once you've entered all necessary information, click the Generate button. Jasper will process your input and provide you with multiple ad copy suggestions. Review the generated content and choose any options that fit your needs. You can edit any suggestions directly within the interface as necessary. Once satisfied with your ad copy, copy it to your clipboard for use in your advertising platforms. That's it. You're now ready to automate your ad copy creation with Jasper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.